What's up, guys? How you doing? It's your boy Bitcoin Rodney, coming to you guys straight from the basement. Coming to you guys today to give you a little bit of an overview and some direction and education on that new link called BepicLife.com. So all you guys who are distributors actually have this link, and I'm going to show you exactly how to use it. First thing you want to do is make sure you go to your URL. Let me make this a little bit bigger for you so you can see it. All right. You type in here Bepic Life, BepicLife.com. There you go. BepicLife.com. Okay. Now, when you type in BepicLife.com, you're going to come to this page right here that says MLM. All right. Don't worry about it. What you're doing right now actually is you're just converting this site into your domain name, so when people go to use it, you receive the credit for it. Okay. Now, this is a wonderful page, a wonderful funnel that they have here. Let me bring it down some more right here. And you can see it tells you about sleeping well, the elevate, the energy, tells you about the accelerate. It goes over everything people need to hear about the sale, how it works, the whole 9 yards. Order now, what's inside of it, the directions, everything is here on this actual funnel. This funnel is actually made by the company. Now, for those of you who are smart, I won't say smart, well, let me tell you this. So this page right here, let me tell you how it works. Number one, this is a page you definitely want to send to your actual warm market. This is for your warm market. So if you already know their name, the number, email address, or you have them on your social media, you can send them this to be a customer. Okay. Now, if you're trying to run traffic to this actual site, you're going to lose. It's a waste of money. This site right here is made to run traffic if you have a capture page in front of it only. If you got a capture page in front of it in order to capture the data, the name, the email address, then it goes to your Aweber, then you can drop emails on these people on a regular basis to get them to purchase your product. Okay, so just know that this is for your warm market. All right, warm market. Now, what we want to do is we want to be able to make sure that this link links to you. Okay, so how do you get BepicLife.com to become BepicLife.com/your username? All right, so everybody who's watching this, make sure that you do it this way. You have to be a distributor, actually, just for those who need to know that. You must be a distributor in order to get this link. Right now, what you're going to do is as soon as you type in BepicLife.com, this will show up. You're going to go right here to buy now. Click buy now, and it will ask you to type in your United States or wherever you're from. Okay. Once you do that, you're going to click on continue as preferred customer. There you go. Once you do that, it asks you for your sponsor code. Getting started with Bepic Life is easy. So you go right here, and I'll pipe in like Rodney B. All right, and then I'll click continue, and then it'll take me to my actual choose a pack for $99 for customers. All right, now I actually have the link BepicLife.com/Rodney B, and I can send that out to people now. So now I'm going to type in the URL above my username, BepicLife.com/Rodney B. Oops. And click enter. There you go. Now, as you can see, Rodney Burton Jr. at the very, very top right here. And now I can get all the credit for every time somebody goes to my link to purchase the actual product. It's linked to me, or now it's linked to my son, actually, because that's his name, Rodney Burton Jr. So, and that's how you get it done. That's how you link this page directly to you. Remember, guys, this is a great funnel, but make sure that you send it to your warm market only, And if you want to run traffic to this, make sure you put a capture page in front of it and have it go to your Aweber so you can collect the data, the emails, the information, the emails of the individuals that you're running the traffic to this for. Okay, guys? Well, this has been a quick video to give you guys some insight on how to earn more money with your BepicLife.com site. And remember, there are individuals at this current moment that are earning tons of income weekly just off of the product itself. Remember, you can join this program, not bring nobody in, and still earn a decent income every single week based upon customers only. And that's a great deal. I've never really seen a comp plan this simple, this easy. So get to it, guys. If you got any more questions, get back to me and we'll get the job done. See you on the next video. Peace. Hope you liked it.